A third ledger posting now. Opened bank account with cash. Quickly find out which two accounts are being affected. One is bank account, one is cash account. Both are assets. One is increasing. Open bank account means bank account is increasing. So assert when increasing you have to debit it. So debit the bank account. Bank account debit 500. Cash and assert is decreasing because you are depositing it into the bank, so cash balance will decrease by 500, credited to cash 500. Now this is a contra entry. One side bank and one side cash is a contra entry. Open a bank account, a ledger of bank and a ledger of cash. Okay, post the entries now. Bank account debit to cash account. Always at the debit side you have to, so to cash account 500. See, bank account has been debited, and see, bank account entry here has been debited. So you are debiting the bank account with cash of 500. Now next, cash account. In cash, what will you write? In the credit side, you will write by bank 500. Mention the date, make the totals, and find out the balance. Okay. Bank account debit to cash. So in cash account you can't write to cash. So you need to write by bank 500.